Making 200,000 naira monthly selling ordinary PDFs is very easy if you understand how it works. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create your PDFs under 1 minute. Don't skip any part of this video if you want to understand this, and if you want to start making money online. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and don't miss out on new content. See me create an ebook that can earn you more than 200,000 naira monthly. See the prompts I gave to AI. Write an ebook on how to import goods from China to Nigeria. This is a full beginner's guide on mini importation. Please let the book show examples and exactly how to get started. I want it to be up to 30 pages. Use a professional design and colors. Let it look like a published book with good structure. The text body should the text body should be size 20. Generate it as I want it as a PDF. As simple as that. So now I simply click the arrow. Here is the PDF generated. So Claude has generated the PDF. Let me open the PDF so that you can see it. Now this is the PDF generated. You can see that the complete guide to mini importation, how to import goods from China to Nigeria and build a profitable business. You can see what AI generated within 2 minutes. Very professional looking ebook. So you can see the structure, everything is very professional. It's added tables, everything is well designed. This can be sold at 2,000, 5,000, 3,000, even 1,000, depending on how much the seller want to sell. Yes, so imagine you sell this at 2,000 naira and make at least only 5 sales daily. This is 10,000 you are making daily. You are making 10,000 daily for ordinary PDF that didn't cost you anything to create. Yes, that's the power of digital product. You are not buying anything, you just create it. You didn't write anything, no, but you see how professional this is looking. You can see that. See how good this is looking without you writing any single word. So creating the ebook is very easy, but where most people find it difficult is generating traffic and getting people to buy, and some are confused of the type of ebooks that people easily buy. So if you want to take the ebook business serious, check the comment section. So the full guide to start making daily income running this business, the full guide is there. Also, if you want to use this prompt or you want to edit the prompt for your own book, check the description section, copy the prompt. You can use it to test how it works.